Hi everybody, welcome to Signature Oasis Dubai. So in today's video, we're going to be discussing on how you should set up a tax-free company here in the UAE. So why are most people setting up companies here in Dubai is of course the tax-free advantages. So if you have a small business, if you have an online service-based business, a marketing company, or anything that's related to e-commerce, you could set up a business here in Dubai and operate from any other country in the world, including Canada, Australia, UK, United States, you name it. The most important thing is why are people opening up these companies is just to set up a tax-free environment zone for their business. If your business is operating at a high income level, you could take advantage of all the tax-free benefits here in the UAE. So how to set up this business here in Dubai? There's a two-step process. So once our company will do a consultation call with you and your business, we'll need to see of which free zone that we could set you up the most cost efficiently. So there's numerous free zones here in the UAE, including Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Ajman, and other free zones. So some of these free zones are more expensive, some of them are cheaper. Relatively, they're all based on the same concept. Once we do the consultation, we'll provide you guidance on where to set up your business. The most important thing is the cost. So the cost starts from 12,000 dirhams. So depending on your country and region around the world, it could range from about 3,000 US dollars. In Canadian, it might be around 4,500, of course, depending on the Forex rate. Once we establish your company here in the UAE, the second step process is we'll need to get your Emirates ID and register you for your residency visa. To set up your visa in Dubai, there's a two-step process. Firstly, we'll need to get your medical test done, which our company provides a full glove service. Our drivers will take you to the designated areas, making it a little bit easier for you. The second step, once you complete the medical test, is we'll need to do a biometrics. Biometrics will also take you to the designated areas. It takes about 30 minutes to about 40 minutes, depending on the availability of the appointment. We'll schedule all your appointments on time to complete this as fast and efficiently as possible. Once we get everything completed, the UAE will send you your Emirates ID, which will be your official residency in Dubai. Now, this is important because in order for you to set up your business, to activate your corporate banking, your business banking, and personal banking, once you get your Emirates ID, there's many things you can do now in the UAE. So you could open up your personal bank account, your corporate bank accounts, as well as do any other transactions here in the UAE. So you don't need to worry about the multiple step process that it takes to open up the bank account, which sometimes can take from 1 week, 2 weeks, or even longer, depending on which bank you work with. After everything is registered, you can enjoy your full tax-free environment, have a consultation call with our accountant to optimize on your personal and business taxes. If you're looking at a business tax perspective, up to 375,000 dirhams, you can enjoy 0% corporate tax. Any salary you pay yourself here in the UAE, you could also enjoy 0% personal income tax, which is the biggest advantage as most other countries have 40 to 50% personal income tax. Once everything is registered, once your company is active, you could return back to your home country and operate it from an online level. So whether you're doing any service-based business, e-commerce, or any other business transactions online, you could fully operate your business at a tax-free up to 375,000 dirham. The only one thing that you have to keep in mind is once you have this business established is you need to be in Dubai every 6 months, at least one time. So what that means is that you just need to return to the UAE, cross their immigration system, and be compliant so that your visa is up to date and you're not getting any penalties. Below, you could schedule a call with our company for a free consultation on how you could set up this business. We'll find you the most cost-efficient free zone to work with, or if you're establishing a business here in the mainland in Dubai, as well as answer any questions that you may have. So please use the link below to set up an appointment with one of our team members, and we could further assist you and consult you with the best active business strategy, how to set up your business, any tax questions, as well as any other related questions about your residency visa or your company. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and hope to meet you in Dubai very soon.